Alright, in this video I'm going to be opening up this car along with these four pretty nice cars, Johnny Lightning and a few Hot Wheels. Yeah, should we start, or let's just start with this one. Let me get my knife. The packaging on this is not great, so I don't feel bad about opening it. I'm going to tell you the prices of all of these cars. This one I got for 15 bucks. Probably the most, if you saw my last video, the most expensive car that I bought was this one, I believe. I know nothing about these cars. I just thought it looked cool, so I grabbed it. I also really like the deco and stuff on it, the tampos. I guess I can just take that out. Nice and heavy. Limited edition. That's kind of cool. It's numbered. I did not expect it to be numbered. Right there, 9,303 of 4,998. Look at that while I put the plastic back in the box. That's pretty cool. Very nice. Rolls well. The hood opens up. Not the cleanest graphics, but it's pretty old. None of this stuff is from after 2008, apparently. So it's pretty old. I don't know if there's a year on the box. Let me see. On the back it says there's a lot of very small text that I do not want to read through right now. Get an exclusive 1998. Wow, this is old. Get an exclusive 1/64 scale 1998 NASCAR 50th anniversary diecast card. Available only through this offer. Send your name, mailing address, and $2 for shipping and handling to that place while supplies last. Huh. I might do that just with like a $2 bill or something. Just see if it gets there. But 1998. This is 22 years old. This little hunk of metal and plastic is 22 years old. Wow. Very nice. I love the Goodyear. I love the Valvoline. The wheels don't turn like on some cars, but that's okay. Pretty cool. It rolls pretty good. Let's start with the F50 because it's the least interesting probably out of the bunch. The reason I'm opening this is I have this exact variation and I got another variation of this car. It had a different like blister or whatever. I'm just gonna throw it into my loose collection because I like it. Not as much as F40s, but pretty cool. Yeah, typical under the wing paint not being there really. I think you can see the window under there. I might do a custom on this. I don't know. Very nice. Silver wheels. Might put new wheels on it actually. That'd be cool. Let's open this now. This is a school bus. Comes with a very nice magnet. Piece of cardboard. Maybe piece of cardboard. I don't know. Let's open it though. Oh, this one's hard to open. Apparently it's NASCAR Authentics. If you're interested in that, you can read it. This is from 1999. It's pretty old, probably one of the oldest cars that I'm gonna have on my premium wall. Nice piece of cardboard. Not super hefty or whatever. I do like the busted windows, and I like the small details like this little thing up here and the tape on the windows. Very nice tires, plastic base, very nice color. For 1998, this is pretty good. I mean, all the details are relatively crisp and nice. I mean, there's a little bit of paint defect there, but that's barely noticeable unless you're looking directly up the wheel well. Very nice, and more sponsors there. That's pretty cool. I'm definitely very happy to add that to the collection. Let's see, which one should we open? Let's open this one first, because I'm more excited about this one, but I'm way more curious about this one, because this one looks pretty straightforward. It's pretty cool. Very convenient to have a recycling bin right there. It's a pretty nice box. Anything inside the box? Nope, didn't think so. If you want to pause the video and look at this stuff, you can. I'm just gonna run over it. This says stuff about the details on it. Let's look at that. Let's see. Custom instrument panel. There does not appear to be an instrument panel. Stocked ice cream chest. Does it open? I see the ice cream. Yeah, I see it. Custom twin seats. Yes. Ice cream cone steering column. That's what that is. Turning front wheels. They turn, but that's just like a wobble on the axles. Dang, that would be cool. Chevy V8 injected with air scoops. That is pretty cool. These are plastic tires also. Rear doors swing open. Those doors definitely do not open. Very cool though. Definitely happy to have this in the collection. Metal base, metal body. It's pretty cool. Little thing. Definitely gonna keep that box. And the 16th annual Collectors Convention in Irvine, California. I believe this is plastic everything, even the wheels except the body. Oh, this was cool. It's designed by Larry Wood. That's the guy I like. He did the bone shakers. Alright, let's open this. Let's hope it comes off the card clean. Which it appears not to be doing. Oh, it's sticky. It's sticking on there well. There we go. I'm gonna keep this card, put it with my RLC cards. It's in the garbage. It's pretty cool. I'm going to put this in my Plano case. This is in 2002. Yep, plastic wheels. GMC motorhome. I have another GMC motorhome, but this one is from a convention. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I believe that was like $5 or $6 or something. That was like $4 or $5 maybe, I think. And this was $8. This was $2. like $5 and $5, and then this was $8. Very, very excited about this one. I love this strange motorhome casting. I think it's very cool, very nice, and I love the graphics. Alright, thank you for watching. This was very fun. I enjoyed these cars. I have all these other cars. If you want to see the other cars that I got in the box, all of this cost me about $100. Then go check out the other video, because that is much longer and much more detailed. I got all these pretty cars: Johnny Lightnings, Hot Wheels, Matchbox, lighters. Pretty cool. Thank you for watching, and bye.